So if you're thinking about picking up a new Pixel 9a that is dropping tomorrow, you might want to pause for a second and see what deals are out there. As usual, the Google Store, Best Buy, and Amazon are going to be your best bet as far as paying it off up front or going through a carrier where you will normally save a little bit less money but have a lower upfront payment. In addition to these gift card offers that usually are always out and about that we'll talk about, make sure to use that referral link down below to save yourself 50 bucks off the price of a new Pixel. We have a couple codes left. Make sure you scoop them up. When they're gone, they're gone. You'll have to try them. I'll list out the 10 we have left and you guys can use it as you see fit. Beyond that, if you are looking to pick one up tomorrow, like I said, a couple of carriers, including the Google Store themselves, are offering some deals. First things first, if you want and use Google Fi, the Google Store is promoting a free Pixel 9a through Google Fi if you are a new customer and are okay with monthly bill credits for over 24 months. Also, if you are an existing Fi customer, they are offering $200 off the price of the Pixel, and then you can get the Pixel 9a for only $100 with a $400 trade-in offer, again at the Google Store. If you want a bonus credit, you can get one at the Google Store, Amazon, and Best Buy. They're all offering a $100 gift card if you purchase a new Pixel 9a, and we will throw those links up below for you as well. If you choose not to go this route, there is currently a deal that AT&T is offering for $299 a month and free Pixel Bud A series, but unfortunately, there's nothing out there that we've seen yet for T-Mobile or Verizon. If you need a recap, the Pixel 9a is probably one of the best budget offerings that is always about to come out for the year, as it is still going to give you 9 gigs of RAM, that Gemini support, although it is a little different, it's not going to run locally in some scenarios like on the Pixel 9 and 9 Pro. So just keep that in mind, but it still should run fluently and as fluid as your Pixel 9 has. One of the best features I am actually personally excited about is the lack of a camera bump. I know it seems like a small thing here. However, after having numerous iPhones and Pixels alike, and as well as Samsung Galaxy devices, it is refreshing to see the move back to a slim camera module and not having to worry about that elevated bump when you lay it down on a flat surface. I, for one, love setting it down on a camera or on a table and using it, and the camera not really impacting that little wobble that we're all very familiar with at this point. Aside from that, I do like the new color offerings, that lily and all that color pattern, or whatever they're calling it, that purple colorway. That's what we're going for. We'll be doing a ton of hands-on and reviews, in addition to some special features that are going to start with the Pixel 9a in regards to battery health and some other items there. Make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Thumbs up this video if you're picking one up or want more Pixel 9a coverage. We'll have a ton of that. Then also comment down below if you use one of those referral codes so every other viewer knows to try not to go back and use that same code if you don't mind. But aside from that, yeah, really quick short video for you guys today. I hope you guys are going to like your new Pixel 9a. Since there was not a pre-order period here, my assumption is not only can you order it tomorrow, but you can walk into your Best Buy or local store that sells these devices and pick one up same day. So yeah, we had a slight delay there, but nothing major, just due to some QA reassurance, and we're ready to go. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.